Actinomycetes as xylanase producers, a pathway towards sustainable future. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Lignocellulosic biomass serves as a renewable raw resource. There has been increased industrial interest in leveraging this raw material through the advancement of new technologies. Various microbial enzymes interact with biomass to generate the desired products under optimal industrial conditions. Xylanases play a crucial role in breaking down the xylosidic bonds within the xylane backbone of the biomass, and commercial enzymes are classified into distinct glycoside hydrolase families. Through genetic engineering, optimized xylanases can be developed. A novel xylanase is extracted from an extreme environment and subsequently genetically altered to enhance its applicability in industrial settings. Recombinant protein methods have enabled the engineering and production of thermostable xylanases in actinomycetes. It has been tried to explore the biotechnological potential of xylanases derived from actinomycetes and the techniques used for their optimization and expression in industrial applications. Introduction. As energy prices rise and environmental concerns grow, there's increasing interest in sustainable renewable fuels, with plant biomass emerging as a key source. Plant biomass, particularly lignocellulosic biomass, plays a major role due to its abundance and potential as a renewable energy source. Lignocellulose is made up of substances like cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and lignin, with xylane being a significant component of hemicellulose. To efficiently break down this biomass into useful sugars for energy production, various enzymes are required. These enzymes, which help in the breakdown of complex plant materials, are essential for industries seeking to turn plant waste into biofuels and other products. Xylanases are a type of enzyme that specifically breaks down xylane and are in high demand, especially those that work well at high temperatures. These enzymes are crucial in industries like biofuel production, paper making, food manufacturing, and more. Microorganisms from extreme environments are being studied for their ability to produce these heat-resistant enzymes, making them valuable for commercial use. Overall, xylanases are becoming increasingly important in the quest to turn plant biomass into renewable energy and other industrial products. Conclusion. Global interest in green chemistry is growing because enzyme-based reactions are more beneficial because they produce fewer byproducts. Advanced molecular biotechnology techniques such as site-directed mutagenesis and metagenomics have been used to successfully discover and develop new enzymes in various situations. Xylanases have prospective uses in a variety of industrial processes that span all industrial enzyme market segments. These are perhaps appealing for further research and studies that seek to examine the benefits and applications of these practical products in an industrial setting in connection to organisms that produce industrial enzymes.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.